What's up guys, Tech here with another video. In the video of today I'm going to unbox and check out the new Dyphone Timebox Evo. It's a small speaker but with some LED on the front. This kind of speakers aren't really meant especially for audio quality, but more for more functionality. So you can use it as an alarm, you can use it as a notification screen. So yeah, it's multifunctional. So it has an output of 6 watts. It uses a bass reflex Aufnahme, it says in German. I can do a little bit German. So it doesn't have any passive radiator inside. It has 256 LED in the front. So yeah, you can do a lot of different kind of things with the front screen. But keep in mind again, this kind of speaker isn't really meant to especially look for the audio quality, of course. But the previous models I also had on this channel one that was very surprisingly very good in audio. It wasn't of course very bass heavy or any loudness, but it was very clear. So it definitely works very well for an alarm or notifications or for phone calls. So without further ado, let's take it out of the box. So they asked me to unpack this and check it out, and it was funny, they reached out to me last week, so at the end of November, and I was really skeptical about will it arrive before Christmas, because of course it's almost Christmas, like it's beginning of December, and because of COVID and other things, the shipping to my country is very slow, to say. So yeah, it arrived today, and let's see what's inside. So it has a nice box, and I also noticed it has some weight to it, so it isn't very very light. So the battery must be very good. I haven't seen the battery capacity yet, so I guess it will be in the manual. So I even haven't looked to the specs. I just send it to me, I will check it out. So also with you guys, I'm seeing how it really looks. So it has a sliding box, like some phone boxes. Alright, that looks very good actually. So you have different kind of packaging. It has some black paper around the speaker. So let's put it on the side. Some warranty stuff, the manual also important, so I can see how much power it has, and the battery of course. Let's see what kind of cables are included. Some include a lot of cables, some do less. So this one has a charging cable. So let's open it up. Oh yeah, it has USB Type-C, so that's pretty good. So it definitely is future-proof, and I will be honest, most phones already have the USB-C port, so it's very great to see. Let's see in the manual first how much milliamp the battery is. I'm very curious about it. Let's see. German. I will try to find English. Let's see. You know what? I will look at the German. So let's see, this is French. Oh, here are the specifications. So 2500 milliamp battery. That's pretty big for this small size of a speaker. So it doesn't go very low, only 95 Hz they say. So again, this kind of speakers aren't really meant for bass or high loudness, but they really are meant for the fun of the design. But 2500 milliamps is pretty good. Yeah, of course it has some LED lights on the front, but I also feel it has some weight to it. So keep in mind, 2500 milliamp battery is as big as my Xiaomi speaker, the 16 watt power one. So yeah, definitely good for 6 watts speaker power and some LED on the front. So let's see how it looks. And as you guys have noticed, I didn't talk a lot in the latest videos, because I didn't like to always get annoying inside the videos, but because this is a new speaker and kinda important to unbox, I decided to talk. So this is the speaker. It has some screen protector on it, and let's see what it says. Yeah, you do need to pull it off. always the best to do. Always is very nice. Alright, so you can clearly see the LEDs. Of course you also see the LEDs from my light. Yeah, of course it isn't like full HD or something like that, but they have put a lot of LEDs compared to other speakers from them. Like a few years ago I had one that looked like a TV, had a lot less. So the great thing about this is you can put a lot of more icons or images on it to get a new kind of thing. I will set it up now to do some music testing and also to show you guys what it can do with the LED panel. For that I of course need the app, so I will install it on another phone and then I will let you guys see. First, let's start it up. You have to push the power button, I guess. Ah, yeah, there it is. Alright. Oh, that looks very good. Of course, the fingerprints, you can't do a lot about it. So let's connect it and then we will get on to the sounding mode. Overall, I think it sounds pretty decent for, of course, a speaker that has been meant more for the LED lights. So there's one problem, I can't really show all the functionalities of the application because I also use the phone for the camera opportunity. But you can of course choose a few on this button. And you have some that do some kind of thing. So like this one, it's pretty cool. But it also changed to some other things. And to be honest, it's pretty bright. So I even with my LED light on, so to give you guys some light on the product, it still is bright enough to see what's on it. And you can also see that it can go very deep in the brightness, and of course also black. So it only is like colors. You can clearly see that they have to improve it a lot. So the previous model didn't do this. So overall, I think it's pretty cool to have it for time or for an alarm, but of course it isn't a speaker for, let's say, all day music listening. But the time has been placed very well on it, and to be honest, the packaging was very good, especially for this price. So it's around, I believe, $40 or $50. So not extremely expensive, but also some quality is inside of this product. It's pretty neat, and I think overall it's very decent product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.